How to change your Spotify password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can change your Spotify account's password, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change the password of your Spotify account, you have to actually log in from the browser because the application does not offer you the way to change your password. Whether you're on iOS or Android does not really matter. So just open up your browser and then you want to go to spotify.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link in the description box. Now, first case scenario is that if you are logged in and if you remember your password. So for those of you who remember their current password, once you're logged in from your browser, tap on the gear icon from the top right, go to the option called view account, and once you tap on the view account option, you'll be taken to this page over here by default, where first of all, currently you're under account overview. Just tap on it once and you'll open up a drop down menu over here. So let me just go ahead and open up the drop down menu. And here you'll find the option called change password. Just go to it. Once you go to change password, you can simply enter your current password. If you do remember, as I said, it's for those of you who remember, and then enter the new password you want to change to and tap on the set new password button. But assuming that you do not remember your current password, so let me also go ahead and log out. So let's say that you don't remember it and then you want to reset your password. Well, first of all, you can see I'm logged out. So again, I'll go to the login screen basically. So all you have to do is come back to the login screen. And here, tap on the login button. As you tap on login, here you'll find the option called forgot your password. And all you have to do is tap on forgot your password button here. Enter the email address or the username associated with your Spotify account. After that, it is going to send a verification link to your specific email. Just tap on that link or that open the code and copy it. And then you'll need to tap on the link in order to enter the new password without having to remember your old password. And this is basically how you can change your password, whether you don't remember your current password. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.